Words for the week. We've got energy, natural, replace, renewable, produce, traditional, pollution, and sources. And remember, you can access these, what I'm getting ready to show you, anytime if you go into ConnectEd and you click on this icon to help you with your vocabulary words. These will be listed there for you. So we have energy. Here's our photo. And here's an example sentence. Good food gives Ron and his grandpa lots of energy to work together. So think to yourself, what does energy mean? Energy. Energy is being able to be active or to give you power. Okay, our next word is natural. So here's a picture here. Think about the cotton growing. Cotton is a natural material used to make clothes. So if it's natural, I see a root word in there. I see something that sounds like nature. So if something is natural, it comes from nature. Next we have replace. So I see a woman at a gas station. She's filling up her gas. Soon Tina will replace her car with one that runs on electricity. So she's talking about her energy, whether it runs on gas here or she wants to replace this car with one that runs on electricity. So replace, I see a prefix there. Re means again. So place again. So put something new in place. So replace is when you have something take the place of something else. Do it again. Replace. Then we have renewable. I see a picture. I see trees in a forest. I see a recycling sign here. Trees are a renewable resource because more will always grow. So I see on this, I see different word parts. I see my root word here in the middle, new. I know what it means if something is new, fresh, new. I see the word re, which we know that prefix means again. So to make new, again. And then able, I see a suffix on the end, able. So something is able to make new again. Okay, so trees are something that we can make new again. We can grow more. If these trees get cut down, we can renew the resource. We can plant new ones and new ones come up. Renewable. It can be created again. Then I have produce. Check out these. You see these? Those are solar panels that are harvesting the energy from the sun. So the sun can produce enough solar power to heat this family's home. So it's going to produce power from the sun. It's going to make power. So to produce means to make. Then we have traditional. I see a mom and a daughter here, and I see that they're eating with chopsticks. That's not what we normally do, right? We use forks and spoons and knives. We might use chopsticks on occasion, but not regularly. So the sentence says, Cho and her mother like to eat traditional foods such as rice and fish. So for their culture, that's something that would be traditional for them. Something that comes down from their custom, handed down over time from generations, traditional. Then we have pollution. Oh, yuck. Look at that.
Pollution. Pollution is harmful materials that make something dirty.
Yuck. That water looks dirty, messy, so that's pollution. Water pollution, such as garbage and chemicals, can harm animals. Pollution. Then I have sources.
Sources. Sources are where things come from.
So this was the source of the power, came from the wind here in these wind turbines. Wind and solar power are two energy sources where we get energy from that we can use. Okay, so now that we've reviewed these words, and remember you can find them anytime in ConnectEd if you click on this icon, you are going to then have the assignment that looks like this with your vocabulary words. Remember, when you are doing these, you are not just writing the definition of these words. You are reading the sentence and then you are answering the question. And please make sure that you use your vocabulary word in your answer.